Hello everyone, today I'm gonna have my game review of the competition that I played yesterday, 16th of K.P.M.C, a round of 32. I finished this game over the midnight, so I uploaded this video today. My opponent was from Germany, and Jonas, Germany for a strong player, and last year, actually I have played against him last year in quarterfinal, and I almost lost that game, Last year I handled the black and then he was white and he prepared the mirror game and I couldn't break the mirror game well, so until the end of the middle game and I was behind. So this year actually I prepared how to break the mirror game, but yesterday I handled the black, so there was no happen to have a mirror game. Okay, let's just start from now. I just used the double star and he has approached here. According to follow the AI, always will approach here and then he has a pincer and I play the knight move. I think his information of joseki was even better than me. So he has played push and cut and I just stretch and extend and a couple times extend and then he just jump here. To be honest, I didn't know this joseki carefully and I had to creative here. So I push and block and then attach here. But AI told me that this was not really good. I think I need to play something like this and then here, and then when he just pushes out here I can hane one more time and attach here. I need to use such tetsuji at this moment, but now when I attach and he can push and hane, I think he read this variation and I hane and then he double hane. So I even read until now. It was very complicated, but it was very obvious. Because if white just exchange everything, I can't make anything. It doesn't mean I can just connect here, he can just connect here. So there is only one timing I can just wedge here and then ask him and then I can trade here. Because if he just answer, then I can make tiger's mouth. So it's really beautiful shape now. But in the actual game, of course, he read that variation as well, so he just cut here. At this moment, he spent for a long time, but I think it was a bit obvious move. Then if white just captures and he can just extend. I thought it wasn't really good for me, but I had to follow this variation. The black is a little bit better, In the actual game, I just played the connect here, because black can't capture my 4 stone. If he just plays here, I can just save it. So the capturing rate is not gonna be okay for black. So he just captured. I decided to save my 4 stones because these 4 stones are related with black's life and death at the corner as well. But this wasn't really good judgment. So when he just extend here and he keep answered here, now he start to lead this game. I had to play jump here, and then he just played hane. It seems wedge is gonna work, but nothing is gonna be there. Black cannot connect here. So hane was making my life and death quite annoying. And then if I really want to save that, I need to play like this and here. But both alive here, then I need to go there. And even here, many things is sente. When he plays a double approach, then I don't think it was good for me. So I need to have an idea how I can bother black's corner. So if I just connect here, like this. This life and death is very interesting. Now since black plays here, later this is black's right. So the black has a 6 and then this hane, then I cannot capture these black stones even though I start first. If I just attach here later, here, then black can hane and then connect. And then if white plays here, just he can jump here, so I can't make anything. And even though I just invade here, he can just connect here, so it will be seki. So I can't make anything. That's why I have to throw in here. So this was timing how I can battle black's life and death. And then here was interesting. Here was very hard, so I spent for a long time in the beginning. Because now it's very serious fighting. If I really want to capture black stones, I need to invade here immediately. Here I can capture in the corner. But the problem is that of course we can have a capturing race. Black can make all the sente until now, and then black can block here. This block was very sensitive. it was very sensitive. And if we just have a capturing race like this, and then I think white need to play here. Even though black throw that away and then just new start from here, you know, there is impossible to just capture black stones clearly. That means there will be a lot of RG. Black can, I think maybe black can do this way. I'm not sure. 8 can be better. If I just give you the result of the life and death, right, immediately, yeah, like this, here. Yeah, of course, black just connect here, there will be still RG. Like this, here, and this one. Maybe here will be like, I think even white can consider to connect here, yeah. But of course, black doesn't have to complete now because there will be anyway some core. So it's quite annoying for white, even though I can capture black is very thick. So I couldn't decide this variation. So in the actual game, I wanted to push one more time because this push can make white much better than just now. It seems quite similar, yeah, but you know, the later, if black plays here, white can even block here. Maybe this way was better. Yeah, because after this, when he just keep pushing and then get in here, my capturing position, I can capture 2 stones. Yeah, it's different than just now. So the life and death, the capturing race condition was big different. Yeah, it was great, and he read that, so he just tenuki there, and then yeah, I need to just wedge here. Yeah, so I still didn't think I was leading. Yeah, and then in the actual game, I was expecting him to play like this. Yeah, then white may not just cut here, but still it was okay. Yeah, but AI recommend black can just attack here. Yeah, it was a very hard judgment. If white just cut here, then black can trade with right hand side. It was still good enough. But in the actual game, I think his decision was a little bit not good. When I just played the wedge and then he just connect here, normally this way connecting wasn't really good. Yeah, so because after I cut here, it will be quite annoying. Yeah, so in the actual game, when you just Atari and extend, you know, if I just fight here, I can defend my corner naturally. Yeah, so that was the reason why I decided to fight. But still, AI said that it was a little bit fast anyway. Yeah. And then my expecting was him to exchange and then just jump here because it was quite difficult for me. Yeah, even though I just hane, then there are many options. Black can jump and then hane and just extend. Then I think all the variation was still not bad for black. Yeah, even the connect was not good. Yeah, still it was playable for black. In the actual game, he just continued to play here, but it wasn't really good because I think it made it like quite rush here. And then now I had the timing to go back to defense my left corner. That's why it became, yeah, it was okay, yeah. And yeah, here I was thinking for a long time whether I need to play the one space jump, yeah, because you know there is push and cut. I need to get this exchange, or when I just jump here, still there is push and cut if you just exchange here. Which one was better? And even I need to consider whether black can trade and invade the 3-3 and just decided to throw them away. Yeah, so it was a very hard judgment for me. But AI recommend me totally different variation. AI told me that I need to exchange here. Normally this is a vital point. I knew that, yeah. But you know, I get to think here then, because you know, if I play the 2 and usually 4 is very good point. And then when he just plays at the center, later the corner condition is like when he just invade here, it was quite not good compared to those kind of variation. I can protect my corner much better. But reason why AI recommend me to play here, after this I need to take care this way and then I just give up here, something like this. Yeah. After AI make the variation, then I can understand. I need to give more power to my center group. I can protect my corner naturally. Yeah, but it was quite hard to judge. Yeah. Anyway, when I just jump here, I think in the actual game somehow now Hane and the double Hane made me to have a comfortable Hengma performance as well. Yeah, but still it was hard. But now in the actual game it was too rush. Black was supposed to just push your knight move, then Black need to set up how to punish my 5 stones here at the side. But in the actual game it was a vital point, but it cannot make powerful move to attack my 5 stones after this. So when I just push couple times, and then I push and cut, and then at this moment I realized that I was leading. Yeah, because after this push and cut, if I can capture 4 stones at the corner, it was super big. Yeah, and then even Black can't really properly attack this group. Yeah, because this was quite far away. So in the actual game, starting from now, he was Boyomi, and he made all the exchanges. Sente, I cannot capture here. In case I just capture, there will be throw-in and then connect and die. Yeah, I cannot accept this. So I just answer, and even he made all the variation, all the Sente here. When he plays here, I didn't know his plan, how he can do that. I didn't think he will throw them away, but in the actual game, after this exchange, and then he just decided to throw 5 stones away. But this was super thick. Yeah, it was very thick, because it made 4 stones weaker, and then even the corner there are many aji. I can just save there in immediately. Yeah. So I need to decide here whether I can continue here and save the corner first. Yeah, I was thinking for this move, but AI recommend me Hane and then connect. Yeah, it was very understandable. Yeah, still I have to learn a lot from AI. Yeah, and I was afraid whether he just pincer here. Here was a much valuable place. Yeah, and then I just played here. Actually here also that I knew that this is my benefit. If he just plays here, I can exchange anytime. Yeah. But of course I was afraid that whether he plays like a bit efficient move and try to make some complicated variation. So I didn't think it has to be hurry, because I can just play here, and then when he approached here I can do that. Then it was mine. Yeah. And I don't think he can play this capturing. Yeah, it wasn't really good enough for Black. So I just used the stable move here, and of course he knew that there was annoying, and he answered efficiently. So I decided to make light group and then just approach. And yeah, now just like Black felt that here Aju was a bit annoying, that's why he was keep answering. So I totally decided to throw them away, and I just go to the big place here, and it was the joseki. But I think at this moment even Black was supposed to just answer first, and they need to give me the corner. Yeah, when he just captured the corner, it seems very big, but there was a big aji. I can show you later how I handle in the actual game later. But the problem is when I just connect here, you know, this is very weak, so he need to separate there. And when I just play here, naturally I can take care of my weak group, and also Black has to keep play at the neutral point. Yeah, here I just used a simple form, but to be honest, it was much better for me, because in the actual game, when I just connect, he played one more Sente. That kind of Sente is making Black much comfortable to take care of his life and death. So I think I knew that even Kusumi, but I just answered the too simple way. Yeah. At this moment, I wanted to attack for time attack as well, because he was really Boyomi. Yeah. And we just share the big place, and then he still need to break the upper side, because 4 stones are not strong enough. So I used the mostly simple way attacking of his group, and then I decided to separate of here. Even though I cannot capture any group there, still white was very good enough. Yeah, I can just attack stably. Yeah, Black is very busy. He was supposed to take care all the group like now, and then you know, even though Black saves here, somewhere he is gonna get damage. So when I just captured 4 stones, and it was obviously good for me, and I choose the most simple way. So finally Black alive with those group. Yeah, but still territory condition was not good enough for Black. It seems very big. Yeah, I exchanged it here, because if I just pincer here, then it was a very good exchange for Black, isn't it, compared to this. And I can exchange first and then play here. Yeah, it was a good exchange for me. Yeah, so he couldn't answer. And now black is telling me, just like here is all of his territory. So now I knew that still I was leading enough. Yeah, so I just asked him whether he want to extend here. Then this jump is very big. Yeah, even I can consider to invade, and when even I just make the simple form of the reduce, I think still white was leading enough. So black couldn't accept this move. Yeah, somehow, you know, white breaking position is so good. So black just answered the capturing here, but I prepared the Atari. You know, if black just corner here, I can Atari one more time and tiger's mouth. Somehow corner wasn't really big, right? Yeah. So black really need to capture, but I don't mean I wanted to save at the corner like this. It wasn't really big now. The side value was much better. I asked him whether he want to Atari here. Then, you know, he really need to play something. Now, black cannot give me this move. Yeah, so he need to answer here. But now, you know, however, I just play here. Yeah, saving wasn't really hard. I can even play knight move. Yeah, so staying at the side is really easy mission. Easy deal for me. So he just cut here. It was his right. And then I asked the Atari one more time. If black just ignore, this core is like, I don't have to capture first. I can just push and then capture. This core was even very risky. I had a lot of core threat there. So black cannot consider this core. And then when he answered that I played the knight move, it was very easy to save now. Yeah. I played quickly, but actually I didn't read carefully here. White had many tetsuji here. I can just even consider to play Kusumi and Hane. I think somehow it was a bit easier than actual game. Yeah, I don't know. In the actual game, I just follow my feeling here and push there. I thought it's not gonna be that, yeah. And then when he plays here, yeah, it was my sente as well. Because the couple Atari, couple moves are my sente. So when I just play extend here, it's impossible to be that, yeah. He was supposed to get in like this, yeah, and then I can just hane this here. It depends on in this area. Because here was my sente. Now I can just play extend here. So even though he plays here, I can just Atari captures, nothing is gonna be there. Yeah, but now if there is no right, let's say that like there is already nothing is gonna be sente. Then if I play same move as just now, there might be big trouble. Yeah, he can just cut here. So here seems very easy life and that, but it depends on the situation of the corner. So in the actual game, now when you attach here, if I just hane, nothing is gonna work. So I knew that, so he decided to use something different move, but similar. When he just cut here, here is last trap. If white just captures, the black can hane and do this one. So white will be totally dead, yeah. But in the actual game, I have a timing to exchange this and then capture two stones, yeah. After this, he was keep trying very hard to make something, but now, yeah. Now already, the gap is not really little. Yeah, white was leading a lot, yeah. Okay, so it was very interesting game, but in the beginning, I think he fought well, especially in this joseki. Yeah, after this game, of course, I studied the game with AI, but still, I'm not sure whether I can handle well if I have this happen next time. Yeah. So yeah, starting from this fighting, I catch up the chance, and when we had the trading, when I captured 5 stones, I realized that I was leading this game. Yeah. So he played so well, even last year, yeah, I almost lost really, yeah, when he plays a mirror game. Yes, you can see that game if you see my past video. Yeah, I really, I could catch up that game in the end game, yeah. Yeah, so it was very lucky. So really, I prepared very hard, especially mirror game. If he plays again, yeah. Okay, so after I win this game, I went up round over 16. So I will play my next round on Sunday 4 p.m. I'm in Hong Kong time. Yeah. So if you guys have the time, please join some of the channel, not my channel, yeah, others channel. Someone is gonna have a comment, yeah, like this time, yeah. Okay, so it was a very nice game, and yeah, I enjoyed a lot, yeah. Thank you so much for watching for this video, and see you guys next time. Bye.